Some Wabash Valley students got a chance to look at some of Mother Nature's soaring animals. Each year, Duke Energy sponsors the American Eagle Foundation's Birds of Prey program at Indiana schools. Beautiful. The programs bring live birds and showcase them to the kids, and as you can hear, they love it. They get to see everything from bald eagles to hawks and owls. Today, we caught the program at Riley Elementary School. Duke Energy says the event is great for helping kids learn about their feathered friends.
You know, what's exciting here is to watch these kids as they laugh, but yet they're enjoying it and they're learning.
The program also had stops in Sullivan and Park County schools.